what's up everybody? CT Grommer here, and today I'm going to be going over 5 mods that are going to completely change the way the Grom feels when you're riding it for the better. That's right, 5 mods in under 5 minutes. Let's go. Number 1, bars.
Jumping right in, when it comes to changing the feel and comfort of the bike, handlebars are probably the most single significant thing you can do. The bars connect you directly to the bike via the steering, throttle, front brake, and clutch. The stock bars do this well enough, but let's face it, they are silly and they have a narrow and swept back feel. After a painstaking process, I settled on KLX DRZ 110 Pro Taper bars, setting me back roughly $60. These bars by comparison are significantly wider, comparable in height, and have a much more straight across feel as opposed to the swept back stock bars. Style points for changing out the Pro Taper pad cover to a color matched Honda pad cover.
Number 2, grips.
Grips are not as important as bars, but having a cushy place for your hands to rest as they control the bike for hours is important. Admittedly, the stock grips on this bike were not all that bad, I thought. But when I installed a set of Pro Taper pillow tops, I could not believe the difference in feel. They're perfectly squishy, but have some stick to them as well, not to mention they look incredible. If my hands are stuck here the entire ride, they might as well be comfortable, and these are way better than stock.
Number 3, seat.
The next mod is the most significant change in comfort on the Grom. The place where your rump roast is sitting down on. And no, the Grom is no lazy boy or cushy computer chair. In fact, the stock seat will wear out even the most seasoned rump in an hour. Trust me, I know from experience, dude. But seriously, the Mad Gel seat from Amazon is unreal for the money. I think it was $100 when I purchased it. It's so comfy and gives the bike some character compared to the plain stock seat.
Number 4, shifter.
Updating the shifter on the Grom is a must. Are you tired of squishy, mushy shifts? How about getting caught between first and second when accelerating and inadvertently rev bomb everyone in the intersection? How about the hunt for neutral? How about when you loop and break your foot peg and the shifting linkage no longer works because they're connected? Should I go on? I have no idea why Honda decided to install a clunky linkage shifting system on this bike instead of a simple shift lever connected straight to the shifting shaft like most dirt bikes. But today, I have the solution. The IMS shifter scored for $29 on Amazon is the answer. It mounts directly to the shifting shaft and gives you nice, precise, short shifts. It's a true game changer that allows you to enjoy your ride that much more.
Last but not least, number 5, tires.
Finally, yes, the famous V rubber tires. If you have an OG Grom or even some of the SF models, you have V rubber tires stock. They have to go. They're dinosaur hard, offer zero stick to the pavement, and are downright dangerous in any rainy condition. I will say they're good for long skids and rolling burnouts. They hold up amazingly well to that kind of abuse. But if you're looking for a tire to give you confidence leaning over into a turn at speed, or any weather condition except 105 degrees Fahrenheit, where even a shoe sole will stick to the ground, then you need to throw on some Michelin Power Pures. They completely change the way the bike handles. They give you a locked-in feeling in turns and confidence in adverse riding conditions. They can be had for approximately $60 a tire on Amazon, and get the 140 in the back. You'll thank me later. There you have it, fam. 5 comfort or enhancement mods in 5 minutes. Have questions or comments about any of these mods? Maybe there's a comfort or enhancement mod I missed? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, if you like what you saw here today, please help the channel grow by subscribing. Each subscriber means the world to me and encourages me to keep creating content. As usual, thank you so much for watching.